Poetic. Damn, this is a big package. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And in today's video we have Poetic Revolution series design case for the Apple iPad Pro 12.9 2021. You can currently pick this up on Amazon for $30, $29.95. It is a big O case. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pop this out of this bag. Boom, and look at that. iPad underneath there. Let's go ahead and grab this. Boom, look at that, look at that. Now this case does have a built-in kickstand. Boom, so you can go ahead and put it in your kickstand. And it does have a built-in Apple Pencil holder, so you can go ahead and place your Apple Pencil in the case so you don't have to misplace it by accident. Go ahead and place that back in there. And it does give you a screen protector as well. So if you're looking for all-in-one case, you can go ahead and pick this up. So let's go ahead and remove the front portion of this case out of there. Bam. Now you do have a screen protector film there on the front. Let's go ahead and flip this bad boy over. Place this on the iPad itself, and it kind of just clicks in. Bam. And this is the case. It's soft TPU, hard plastic shell. Very, very rugged, very heavy. Let's go ahead and start placing this inside. Kind of just work it. Bam, and voila, we have the iPad case. Very, very rugged. It's looking good. Has a built-in kickstand. You do have lens protection there around that camera lens, so if you want to lay your iPad on a flat surface, you most definitely can. You do have, of course, lid protection all around that screen, as you can see, and then you do have a built-in screen protector there. Looking good. Touch sensitivity is there. Now let's see if this, so I do have the Apple Pencil here, and bam, does it, and it wirelessly charges the Apple Pencil while in the display. That is awesome. In the display while in the case. So look at this, looks absolutely amazing. Put this kickstand up, boom, boom. You can sit there, watch movies, or I tend to flip it this way and use it as a drawing mechanism there. Very sturdy, it's not going to go anywhere, so if you absolutely need to press on there, absolutely good. Very sturdy case, looking good here. Bam. For $30, it doesn't get better than that. You get a screen protector, full on case for your iPad Pro. Now let's see these cutouts here, and it absolutely works because it faced unlock the iPad, so these cutouts are nice and precise. On the bottom you do have your speakers. I can't get this to focus, but the speakers and all the cover ports are nice and precise. No issues with this case. $29.95 with Prime shipping on Amazon. Absolutely beast of a case. If you're someone who absolutely has to carry your iPad, who likes to travel with your iPad, or use your iPad for work, and it's like a construction style, even if it's not a construction style work and you just want to protect that investment because the iPads are very expensive, this case might be it for you. Protects your pencil, protects your screen, and the full iPad all the way around. And you have a kickstand there. Poetic Revolution case for the iPad Pro 2021 2.9 M1. Link will be in the description below if you're absolutely looking for a case for your brand new iPad. And absolutely like this one. Look at that. Feels very solid. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.